Get out of here. That's cool. Whoa. Oh, this is not a stupid time. It's just a regular fun time.
You gonna open any?
Yeah, can we open
You don't
any
wanna open
now?
it? You don't
Yeah.
wanna open
Go
it?
I
ahead.
thought mine was red, Mommy.
I think you
No,
tried to match it.
I think yeah.
Okay.
Andy's has always been red.
Okay. Hey, can we open ours now?
Yeah. Go ahead.
Come on, Toots. Let your daddy open your present. I got the now 37 CDs. Lisa, look, 37. Look at these high state slippers. And Liza.
Oh, sweet.
Also, I got. Oh my God. What is this? Now 40 in a different case? It doesn't matter which case it's in. Now 40!
Awesome.
Not a boring time for anyone.
What's
Wow.
this?
What's this? What? Alarm?
Oh, you got a alarm clock.
I got more Dagmar balls and I mean a flip action carrying case. Really? Santa, you're nice, honey. Super Mario 3D Land.
Whoa!
Oh.
Wow.
3DS. Whoa.
Nice, Billy.
Alarm? Is this an alarm clock?
No, I guess it is.
Cool. You better catch up, Papa. You're
What is that? I don't know.
Billy, Andy's
got
got to
it.
check everything out Billy's getting.
Whoa! Whoa! The thing was snuggy. What are these?
Ooh, neat.
BMWs?
Yeah, neat.
Really? Oh, Santa, you're cute. What's this? Oh, gone. More Dagadar balls!
You got all the balls you wanted?
I think so.
Oh, Billy. Are you excited?
Yeah, everyone is. Why wouldn't I be? Hey, they're attached together.
Ooh.
Mad Gab. What is that?
Oh,
Now I got 4
pretty good.
sets. Cool. Oh my God, what's this? Oh, I have this.
Oh, you
You
do?
know what? That means you can put it in my house.
Yours?
Yeah.
Here. I'll put it at your house. I'm
Okay.
happy still. I just think I already have it. I'm happy still. And what? Vortex spinning collectible ball? Really? That's nice.
Wow, Billy.
Papa Bear, keep going.
Wow. That is so good, Santa. I really want to marry you. Hey. 2 of them. I already have this, so let's keep a set for this.
Okay, cool.
I already have this. And I'm excited, am I? Let me see what this is. What's this? It's the high-speed Sports Raceway set! Yes! Whoa, baby! I just can't shut my mouth. I'm too happy for this.
Oh my gosh.
And oh my God, Mommy, again! The 2-lane battle jump raceway set!
Oh,
Whoa!
Billy.
Yay! Wow! Get over this.
Here, bring it over here and you work on another one.
Yeah!
Because you're already behind.
Yeah! Yay! Hug, Kim. Are you excited for me?
Yeah.
Where's mine?
Keep opening and I'll let
Where's
you.
my hug?
Oh! I got more Dagadar balls.
What's that big black thing hanging there?
I got it! I got it, baby! I got, there's Dagadar balls. It comes with the bearings, actually. The flip action carrying case is collectible balls. But that's stupid.
Ooh, look at that.
Whoa! High-speed sports.
Oh, wow.
Perfect in your
A
room.
Red's clock for your
Two-lane
room.
battle jump raceway. And
So neat.
I also got the now 40 CDs, and if it's in a different case, it doesn't matter. And I got the now 37 CD. Wow. And I got a Nintendo 3DS with